Guys, in the last video we saw how can insert up data in the pivot table using the attach method and how we can destroy the data using the detach method. Now in this video we are going to fetch the data from the pivot table. That means I'm going to fetch the post and I'm going to fetch all the tag associated with that post. So let's insert some tag. Now currently I have only one tag with id 3. Now let me add another tag like 2 for the same post. And if I go here and if I refresh this, I have to go in the tags, kx tags. Now I have another id, post id is same and tag id is another, and let me add a post 2, and for that also I like to give the same tag id. And again refresh this. Now again you can see here post, for one post it has a 2 tag, and for another post with a tag post id 2 it has a id tag id 2. That means tag, you can go here and you can see the tag id name here. You can see here tag id 3 means is the php and tag id 2 means it is a vue.js. Now let's get these tags. So here we are already in tags controller and index method, and we have the url, that is the users. So in tags controller we have the already users index method, so we're getting all the post and user in the previous video. Now what we get is that we get a tag. So here we get a tag. Now what we do is, first let's check this. Now if you go and if you return this post, you will get all the posts with a tag. So here if I go into the users url and hit enter, now you'll get here, suppose a post with id 1 has a 2 tag. You can see here tag 2 and tag 3. That means if you go here post with id 1, here in the post underscore tag, you can see here post with id 1 has tag id 2 and tag id 3, and you can see here same thing, tag id and tag id 3. Similarly post with id 2 has a tag id 2. Okay, similarly here you can see here post with id 2 who will have tag id 2. So it's getting, and post id 3 do not have any tag, and post id 4 also do not have any tag. So now what we do is, let's loop this into the view. So we pass this post id here, and in the home.blade, you have the post here. Now here what we do is, first we will get the post. Let's say post title. Now it gives the title. Now let's refresh this. Now we'll have the title here. Let's include in the p tag. We have altogether 4 title in the database. Here you can see. Now we have this 4 posts. Now we'll get a title associated with each of these posts. So for this again we'll write a for each, and we'll use this post. Okay, and here $post, and as $post we'll use the relationship name, which is the tag, because in our post model you can see here we have a tag relationship, so we have to use the tag relationship here. So post tag as tag, let's say as t, and I'll in for each here. Now here I'll get the tag, and here let's equal that tag and t, and name of tag is simply, the name of tag is simply the t name, right? Because in tag table you can see it is the name. Here you can see in the tags table it is the name. So now let's see here. Now you can see here. So this is the first post. That means it has a tag id Vue.js and PHP. You can see here. This is the second post. It has id Vue.js, and this is the third post, and this is the fourth post. They do not have any tag. So in this way we face the tag related to that post. So I hope you guys get some idea about many-to-many relationship, and thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.